Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. Tonight we're in Saudi Arabia. On tonight's menu, Arabian stew. The morning mise en place. Just after prep, sort of. Here I am salting the eggplant so it draws out the water. Here it is being rinsed. And here's the evening mise en place in order of appearance. Here I am heating up some oil in a Dutch oven. I'm frying the eggplant. Here's the fried eggplant. Here I am going to sweat some onions. They'll sweat for about 10 minutes. Then I add the garbanzo beans and fry them for a few minutes. Then I add the tomatoes, the eggplant, the tomato paste, and garlic. And that's going to simmer on low for about 30 to 40 minutes. Then after that, I add the minced garlic and all the herbs and spices. And that's going to simmer on low for about 10 minutes. Here's the finished stew. The basmati rice is ready. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.